Hello everybody. I'm going to make Jello with quinoa. Now I uploaded with chickpeas. Now I'm going to make a Jello with quinoa. I have here half a cup of quinoa. I'm going to throw this in my magic bullet. Sorry, in my ninja bullet. I don't have magic bullet anymore. It's ninja bullet, and I'm going to blend it into flour. So I'm going to blend it really fine until it looks like flour. I'll be back. Okay, so here I have my cup. Now I already blended my quinoa until it really looked fine. I'm going to pour it in. There we go. So that's half a cup that I blended up. Now I'm going to grab a spoon. Here I'm going to add sugar. 1/3 cup of sugar. By all means, you put as much sugar as you want. It's your choice. I'm not even going to put the whole thing because I don't even know if it's going to be too sweet. I don't want it too sweet because we're going to add here water. I've got some fresh blueberries, which I'm going to add there as well. So I'm going to add half a cup of blueberries as well. I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it with half a cup of water. Okay, so in the blender and half a cup of water, and I'm going to blend that into nice smoothie style. Okay, now what I did is took out 2 tablespoons of water from that half a cup and put it in the pot. Okay, so I put the 2 tablespoons in the pot. See, there's water in there. Just 2 tablespoons I took out from that half a cup. Sorry guys, my kitchen is a mess. I have not had time to clean it. Okay, so this, I'm going to pour the liquid here and I'm going to start mixing. Okay, I'm going to start mixing until it looks like a batter. I'm going to rinse that up with a bit of water, maybe 2 tablespoons. So we're just going to mix it well until it turns into a nice smooth batter. Just make sure there's no lumps. Mix well. Now this is the trick where it's up to you how thick, it's up to you how firm you want the Jello. Very firm or medium. I'm gonna put, I kind of washed the blender. I'll put the rest of the water that I've washed it in. That's like maybe 3 tablespoons of water that I rinsed the. All right, you see how this looks? It's so beautiful. The color is lovely. Now here is when you taste if it's enough sugar for you. If not, you put more sugar. Okay, so with your finger you just dab a bit and taste it. And for me it's just perfect. It doesn't need any more sweet. Now I'll bring you over to the pot. So guys, I listened to you all. Get rid of the aluminum pots. I did. I did. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the stove to medium low heat, and since there's 2 tablespoons of water here already from the half a cup. Okay, so let's say it's 1/3 cup more of water that I added. So 1/3 cup of water in the pot. These are very healthy desserts. You don't use any dairy. You don't need to use it. Or if you want, you can use cashew milk, coconut milk. There's many ways to do this, which I have tried with coconut milk, and it's really tasty as well. So up to you how you want to do this. Now I'm going to take a spoon. I'm trying to figure out which one. I want to pour this in there. I'm not waiting for it to boil or anything, but as soon as it starts heating up, it will. Now, don't forget to have a mold ready. And you don't need to grease it up because it will turn like Jello, and you just have to pull it apart from the walls and it will come out nicely. This is a very tasty dessert. Actually, I can use the same spoon, right? And just start stirring and stirring and stirring, and don't stop stirring like I do. If you don't like it too firm, you can add half a cup of water in the pot instead of 1/3, okay? It's up to you, or 1 cup. Because for me to blend the quinoa flour, I used half a cup of water. See, now the color has turned dark. So it's practically almost ready. I'm going to give it 2 more minutes. And this is ready. Now you can see how thick it is. If you like, add water. By all means. You can see. Trust me, I did not add nothing else. Just what you saw. There's nothing else added here. It's just the quinoa, blueberry, and the water, and a bit of sugar. Sugar. I think it's a little bit too thick. A bit. Okay. So I added a 1/3 cup of water, right? So I'm just going to measure this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of water. There is no wrong in doing this. Trust me, don't be afraid. This is the way I have learned to experiment with my own food, whatever I like. I try to give something nutritious to my family. Instead of using white flour, which all the good stuff has been taken away from that flour. These are other ways to put good stuff in your body, right? And there we go. I'm going to turn this off. 2 minutes passed. And it's boiling away. And I'm stirring and stirring. And even though you turn off the stove, the stove is really, really hot. And your saucepan as well is very hot. You see how it's boiling? Like, really, really nice. That's what you want. Alright, so now I'm going to pour it in the molds. Alright, and my kitchen, I just made a mess. Okay, so let me use a spatula for this. I want to take as much as I can from that pot. And we're going to pour that in there. In the mold. Let's pour half and half. Alright, so perfect for 2 people. It came out perfecto. Just kind of scrape that good stuff out of here. Alright, so just kind of press it down. And this you will leave to cool. Once it feels cool or warm, however you think it's good to put in the fridge. As soon as it cools down, I stick it in the fridge, and it does settle, and it turns into Jello. So my friends, I'll be back once this has settled down, once it has firmed. I'll be back once this has firmed, okay? Alright my friends, so I didn't, it's not like completely cooled down, but it's already ready. It's already firm. You can see, just pull the walls like that. Just pull it apart, and it's already sliding. So I'm just gonna turn it around. And there you go, my friends. Now here you can add some syrup. You can add some agave, whatever you like. Just a little bit, because it's already sweet. Let's not forget it's sweet. Just a little bit. And we're going to add just a couple of blueberries to give it a nice touch. Like that. Like that. And make it look sexy. I know it doesn't look that sexy, but I'm going to stick that in the fridge same way. And that's all to it, my friends. I hope you try it out. Comment below. Let me know what you did different. And if you tried it, let me know how you liked it. And if you did not like it. It is a healthy Jello. Very healthy. That's all to it. Simple, easy, quick, and healthy. Alright, my friends. So I hope you try it out and let me know if you liked it. Maybe not, maybe yes. I know some people are like, oh, but some people do really like healthy style food. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate all your support. I try my best when I have time. Sometimes when I don't have time, I know I take long to upload, but don't worry, I will upload. I will not stop uploading. But when it's busy time, it's busy. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Happy cooking.